Good morning! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning! Good morning! Nandito na kami guys, we're here! We're home! Punta kami sa ospital kasi yung kabalidad ng anak kagabi, nakakaloka. May bagong baby na naman. Ito na yung sa side ni Dan, tatlo sila magkakapatid, diba? Yung kuya niya, tapos siya, tapos yung kambal niya. Babae yung kambal niya. So, kami na lang yung last. Kami na lang yung wala pang baby. Pero, yeah, pangalawa na niyang baby to. Lalaki na naman. So, dalawa na yung lalaki niya. And pupuntahan namin siya sa hospital. Kasi kagabi sana, tapos inisip namin na para sa kanila muna yun. Like, enjoy muna nila yung baby na sila lang. Tapos, yeah, ngayon pupunta kami. Maganda yung hospital niya kasi she can stay there for 5 days. Is that right? The hospital?
Yeah,
4 or 5 days, guys. And then, malalaman na namin yung name kasi nakakaloka. Hindi nila sinasabi sa amin. And meron akong pimple. Laki ng pimple ko. Wala na naman. Umalis na naman yung bisita ko. Pero, yeah, late siya dumating. Nung umalis na yung bisita, saka pa dumating yung aking pimple na ang laki-laki. Pero okay lang yun, mawawala din yan. Wala pa akong lipstick. Magle-lipstick akong mamaya. How's Adelaide, babe?
Good.
Very busy. Tingnan nyo to guys. Ang busy-busy na Adelaide. Hello people! Asa na kayo? Walang katao-tao. Pag-land namin dito, parang where's everybody? Seriously. Galing ka sa country na hindi makamove yung sasakyan dahil sa traffic. Dito naman walang katao-tao talaga. This time of year kasi, it's parang vacation, holiday time ng mga tao na umaalis sila. Like yung kuya niya, aalis sila ngayon. Are they leaving 6 in the morning or 6 at night?
Morning.
So umalis na sila guys. Yung kapatid niya, nagbakasyon sila, punta sila Hong Kong. Are they going to Hong Kong ba?
Sure.
Basta punta sila Asia. Kasama yung asawa niya, tapos yung dalawang anak niya. So it's time talaga na magbakasyon yung mga tao. And kami, kakabalik lang namin. Sobrang iba niya. Dan's body clock is still not adjusting to Adelaide. So he slept really late last night. Again, every night, pagdating namin guys, very late siya natutulog. And then, in the morning, he's complaining, I'm so tired. I feel like shit. True. Sabi ko, okay lang naman ako. Natulog ako ng mahaba nung first night kasi sobrang pagod na pagod talaga kami. Pero after nung natulog ako ng mahaba, okay na ako. So hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin siya okay. Sabi ko, wag mo sisihin yung different time zones. Kasi 2 hours and a half lang naman yung kaibahan. Nakakaloka itong taong ito. Hindi lang talaga siya natutulog ng maaga kung ano-anong pinaggagawa niya sa gabi. Hello, hapon na guys. Tsaka ng ko talaga mukha ko. Pasensya naman. Punta kami Chachi. Kakain kami ng Mexican food. Gusto kumain ng nachos. Guys, all you can eat Monday and Tuesday. And we're here Wednesday. There goes our nachos. Isa lang yung order namin. Share lang kami dalawa. He's not feeling well.
I don't like these jalapenos.
You don't like it? I can have it.
Yeah, we put
I'll eat that. Babe!
Yeah.
This is fixed!
Yeah.
They fixed it! Nakuha na namin yung luggages namin, guys. Yay! I can do laundry today! Diba sabi ko hindi ko siya dadalhin yung luggage na yan. Dinala ko siya kasi wala na. Hindi na magkasya yung mga namin. Alright, let's do laundry. So, i-open na natin yung luggage. Alam ko, most of the stuff here, kailangan ko na siyang i-laundry. Kahit na hindi namin siya nagamit, i-laundry ko pa rin siya kasi oh, sorry. Asan na? May lock ba? Wala naman tong lock. Buti na lang na-pick up tong Dan kanina. Oh! Ah, yay! Naalala ko, yung pala, yung pillow ni Lyra. Tsaka ni Tony nandito. Hi guys! It is Thursday. Day off ko today at saka bukas. And then I'm working Saturday and Sunday. And it's great timing din para magawa ko lahat na kailangan kong gawin na wala si Dan. Kasi kapag weekends, I'm pretty sure meron kaming ganap. Kapag nandito si Dan, like, maghahanap talaga siya ng gagawin. Lalabas kami ng bahay and hindi ko magagawa yung mga dapat kong gawin. Like this. Ito yung mga laundry na ginawa ko last night. Hindi ko siya natapos kasi wala na akong malagyan. So, buti na lang, yung bagong washing machine namin ang ganda kasi kapag nalabas na talaga siya, wala siyang dryer. Sabi nung lalaki na nag-deliver niyan, meron daw siyang dryer, built-in dryer. Kaya lang hindi naman siya ginagamit kasi hindi namin sure kung meron talaga. Pero kapag nalabas na niya yung mga guys, mga damit, parang napiga niya talaga ng bonggang-bongga na konting-konting time na lang matutuyo na siya. So, I did this last night. And then, ngayon silang lahat dry na. So, pwede ako na silang tupiin para meron tayong space para sa bago nating mga labahin. So, pinasok ko na lahat dun sa, sa washing machine. Pero hindi ko pa siya inon kasi nga walang space. So, wait. I should turn it on right now while doing this. Para naman nag-work siya while ginagawa ko to, diba? Kasi it takes a while. And then sabi ni Dan, darating daw siya for 30. Bibisitahin na naman namin yung kambal niya. Sobrang cute ng baby nila, guys. Anuhin na natin to. Yan. Sobrang full nitong load na to. As in, grabe. Anyway, okay lang yan. Okay, gawin na natin to, guys. Para matapos na to. Tutupain ko pa to. And then I'm planning to film a video. Guys, nakapag-film na ako ng haul, yung Philippines haul. So, ang daming kalat. Ayusin ko yan mamaya. I-wrap ko muna yung gift para sa bagong baby. So, meron ako mga na-accumulate na mga gamit. Ganda ng buhok ko today. Ganda yung, yung ginamit ko yung hair straightener na maganda. So, maganda siya. Anyway, ito yung na-accumulate ko namin. So, ito sa Big W. Ang cute niya. Yung baby niya medyo, hindi, normal lang naman. Malaki na baby. Hindi like malaki na mataba na baby. Basta malaki yung baby niya. Yung first baby niya din malaki. So, I'm not quite sure kung akasya na siguro to. Danny boy. Hello, babe.
Hello, my love muffin. How are you?
I'm good, my love muffin.
Thank you. How, did your packages come?
Yes, it did. So I haven't checked it yet, but I finished filming the whole. So, yes.
Cool.
Now I'm gonna wrap the stuff for baby Theo.
Oh, thank you, babe.
You're welcome. I'm going through all the clothes. I'm not sure. These are all for him, right? I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
so.
I'm pretty sure they are. All the ones that's in your room, like the Superman stuff and all that. We brought that all for him. He'll grow into it eventually.
Yeah, no. It's cute. We have a cactus one. So cute.
And a couple, I think those teddies, one of those. We know what we will do, babe.
What?
We'll give Eli the bat teddy. The bat teddy's cool.
No, we have a dino teddy.
But what about that's for one's for Eli? What is one for Theo?
Oh, the teddy is for Theo? No. Because we have heaps of clothes for Theo.
Do you reckon we've got enough to make a decent present then?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 pieces of clothing for Theo.
Give the dinosaur teddy to Theo and the bat teddy to Eli.
Okay, alright.
Otherwise, the bat teddy will just stay in our house and we don't do anything with it. So
Okay, no worries.
we got it for a good deal. So
Yeah, it's really cute. So what am I gonna do with it? So just wrap them separately? I'm planning to wrap 2 presents for Eli so he can open 2. It's gonna be really cute.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah, he likes opening presents. I'll do that.
Yeah.
Alright.
And don't worry about the wrapping paper because it's just wrapping paper. So
Nah, I'm just gonna use the Christmas
paper
one.
or whatever, it's fine.
I'll use the Christmas one.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, might as well.
Yeah, I just opened it today, so we haven't really used it yet. But it's all good.
Yeah. Oh, good. I love muffin. I'll be home in about half an hour.
Alright, love muffin.
Well, we'll leave maybe about 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll go and have a shower and we'll go.
Alright. I'll see you.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye. Love you. Babe. Uy. Nigara. Nigara na sad. Let me see your hat. Pen shop, guys. It looks really good. Why so sexy, babe?
I'm a plus size model.
You're sexier than me.
Plus size model.
The Port, oops, careful babe. Port Power shorts again. Punta kami sa hospital, i-visit namin yung ano niya, kambal niya. Nandun yung gift, nandun sa likod, nalaglag nga eh. Malapit na kami doon, malapit lang naman yung hospital. Siguro kapag ako nanganak dito, ako manganganak din. Kasi malapit lang sa amin. Malapit sa lahat, malapit sa mama niya, not really. Pero, of all the, is this the closest private hospital from your mom? From your mom?
From mum?
Yeah. Not too far, is it?
No, the other ones are around the city and that.
Ah, okay. But this is the closest one for Anne,
Me.
for us,
Rock.
and for Rock, yeah. So yeah,
Right.
it's convenient dito. It is. And it's a nice one. So, diba yung ibang hospital, yung ibang public hospital kasi dito guys, 24 hours lang, paapalisin ka na. Dito sa hospital na to, or siguro sa ibang private din, hanggang 4 to 5 days. So, like, you know, may ano ka talaga, may oras ka talaga na maghilom. Char, maghilom talaga. Especially kapag CS. My goodness. Yung tiyan ko. I'm not pregnant. Guys, nanggaling na kami sa hospital. Dito kami sa Kmart. Ito, cute. Cool daw, sabi ni Dan. This is cool. We actually need one.
We'll get one.
For the rice cooker. Sige.
That's what I was thinking for the rice cooker.
Yes. Nandito kami kasi gusto ko bumili ng water bottle.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, you know what? Someone from work have this, like, a big one.
Really?
Yeah.
To drink from?
Yeah, to drink from. Like, a really big one. Like, this big. That's cool. But that's not something. Ito, oh, maganda din siya. Double wall insulated. Gamit ko pala yung bag na, I think it's from Gamis. I like this, but, is this for water?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's cool. Meron din sila nito. Wooden looking.
The one that rose one you got is better.
This?
It's more your style.
May laman na yung fridge. Pagdating namin, wala siyang laman. Nagpunta kami ng Liquorland. Bumili lang kami ng mga booze. Bumili din sila ng beer niya. And then, I will go marinate the prawns. The prawns is there, babe. Nagpunta kami ng Kmart. Tsaka nagpunta din kami ng Kohl's kasi magkatabi lang sila. So, sa Kmart, ito yung binili namin. Cute nito. And then, that. Mahal ito. Namamahalan ako, $7. Ang gulo ng bahay, guys. Tingnan nyo nga. Oh. Kailangan ko pa yung ano, i-put away. Yun yung mga na-haul ko kanina. Tapos dyan, yung packages ko dumating. So, yeah, magulo siya. I need to give that to Lyra. Siguro bukas. I'm not sure kung magkikita kami bukas. Maybe. Ito, naka-sale siya, guys. L'Oreal na Revitalift na ano, makeup wipes. Naka-sale siya ng 40% off. So, for $5.40 na lang to. Hindi ko pa siya na-try. So, gusto ko siya i-try. Bumili kami ng 2 mangga. Mahal na yung mangga ngayon. $3 each. Noon, nag-ano pa sila eh. 2, $5. Pero mahal na siya. Pero, walay. Gusto daw ni Dan watermelon smoothie. Okay, asan na yung prawns ko, babe? Oh, ito pala. Imamarinate ko yan. Lalagyan ko lang siya nito. Yun na, yung marinate niya. Let's do this. Alright, so magluluto na ako, guys, nung garlic prawns. So, nilagay ko na yung butter at saka yung, garlic na, minced garlic. Sobrang dali lang ito, guys. Kapag meron kayong prawns, itry nyo to. So, after nyan, ilalagay ko na yung prawns agad-agad. Wait. So, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Hihintayin ko lang siya na malapit na maluto yung prawns. Tapos, ilalagay ko yung marinade, yung lemon soda, yung, Sprite. Yan. Tapos, hintayin ko, pag nilagay ko na to, hintayin ko na mag-evaporate yung, Sprite. Tapos na. Ito na yung dinner namin, guys. Nilagyan ko pala siya ng mixed herbs. Sabi dun sa recipe, parsley. Yung finalo ko pala na recipe is panlasang Pinoy. Pero parsley, wala kami parsley. So, mixed herbs lang. Yan. Yummers! Kain! Guys, i-close ko na tong vlog na to. Manonood lang ako ng La Luna Sangre. So, I've been watching this the whole day. Kahit na may ginagawa ako kanina, pinapanood ko siya on the side. So, malapit na ako. Hindi naman malapit. December 5 na tong pinapanood ko. Isang buwan pa yung kailangan ko panoorin. But, yeah, sobrang tagal ko na kasi siya hindi napapanood kasi ang daming ganap. So, ito, December 5. And, yun lang. Panoorin ko lang to, guys. Late na naman ako matutulog kasi off ko bukas. Yes! I think I will see the Indies tomorrow. We'll see. But that is it for this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! Good night!